Hey guys, welcome back to another video in my car, I guess. I made a little video. I went out and got a drone. So it's a DJI Mavic Mini and I really like it. I just have a couple of clips. This is in the first half an hour that I've had it. Just download the DJI Fly app, make sure you're flying in legal areas. Other than that, I would say it's a good beginner drone. I've never had besides like a little toy drone before, so I don't really have any experience. But with that being said, hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks so much.